Alright guys, after staying for a week in some cold weather, this Audi is dead. I'm jumping it right now. And it is currently, I think, like, I don't know, 10 degrees outside. It's pretty cold. It's been like negative like 10, 15 out. Yeah. Alright guys, this is so dead that the jump pack, well, the jump pack's kind of dead anyway, but I thought with having a, oh geez, that could be a problem. I didn't notice that, but I mean, it's still hooked up right. But this jump pack was about half charged, so I think it's not fully charged, so I'm gonna start it. So we're gonna have to get some jumper cables, hook it up to one of the trucks, and alright, we'll update you when it's charged. Alright, we have it hooked onto the truck, to the car. Now we're gonna start it here. Tosh, give it a shot, guys. Alright. It's gonna get straight pipe sooner or later, but this is before straight pipe. You gonna start it? Is it dead still? Oh my lord. It's still dead, y'all. What the hell? It's rolling coal! Whoa, go! Yo, come here. Hold the camera. Stop. Hold the camera on this. Come here. Wait, that's so dope. Go ahead, ready? Guys, this ain't no diesel, but I think it's just because it's so cold. But this is it. Oh, so pretty. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment, drop a like, and subscribe. That'd be nice. And bye.